I welcome everyone to our YouTube channel AAU Organics. In this video, we will see how to install Grammarly in MS Word. Before going deep into this video, if you are new to our channel, you can subscribe our channel. Our channel is the only channel to give agriculture education related videos in English. You can share our channel with your friends also. For this, first you can open the Chrome. In Chrome, you can search download Grammarly for Windows 10. Actually, Grammarly cannot be installed in Word if your Windows version is 7. Only from 10 you can install Grammarly in your MS Word. If your system is currently having Windows 7, you can update it to Windows 10 so you can get more features. Even recently only I also updated from Windows 7 to Windows 10, so this will be very useful. So here you can click on this install Grammarly add-ins for Microsoft Office. You note down this website, Northwood Technical College. Okay, this website is opening. Here is the link grammarly.com. Here you can click on. If you click on here, it will go to the next page. So here it will start to download. If the file did not download, click here. Already our file is downloaded. Here just you can see. Here then we can open in the folder. Here it came to the downloads. Just you can open here. And here as usual as like installing other softwares, you can click on the run. Just it's installing. So it's asking get started. Yes, we can use started. So here it's asking Grammarly for Word and Grammarly for Outlook. You can click the both, no problem. Here now it's a package is installing. So the installation is in progress. It may take 1 or 2 minutes depending on your site. Then a Microsoft application was running during the Grammarly add-in installation. Please restart any running window and Outlook programs before using Grammarly. So this one you may know. Next, this is finished. You have installed Grammarly. Congratulations. Then here it is finished. Okay, you can click on the finish. Okay, here it is completed. Now we have to go to Word. Here you can see Grammarly screen does not appear here. So for this, what you have to do, you have to go to File. In File, here the option is Options. Okay, so here you can come to Add-ons. In Add-ons, you can click Manage. In COM add-ins, here you can click the same. Then you can go to Go. Here is Grammarly. Okay, you have to click that one checkbox. Next is the OneNote notes about Word documents. You can check both. Okay, now both are selected. Then you can click on OK. Okay, now Grammarly is appearing here. Starting Grammarly. So it requires an internet connection. So just it's waiting. So here open Grammarly. Grammarly will come here. Here is the separated tab for Grammarly itself. So here there are something. For example, I am typing. Just it will show the mistakes. Okay. Here some mistakes will be there. Just here we need to log in. To start this checking documents, for checking this one, we have to create the Grammarly account. We have to log in here. So here is the option for login. So if we click on this login, it will go to that website. So just I'm signing with the Google. This site is trying to open Grammarly. Always allow Grammarly to open links for this type of associated app. Here you can click and you can give open. Then you can click on open Grammarly. Here it's coming initializing session. Then here you see the correct your spelling it's showing. So identification is wrong. Here it's showing we have to correct it. Okay, so here it only gives identification. Okay, looking good. So like that we can correct. It will give the sentence correction also, but 70-80% it will be okay, but remaining 20 to 30% you have to take care. So the entire 100% it will not be good. Based on the suggestion given by Grammarly, you have to modify. Don't depend only on Grammarly for writing any documents or any articles. Here in this Grammarly tab, all these options are available. Now you can see like adjust goals, all issues, correctness, clarity, premium issues. So if you want to subscribe for premium, you can subscribe for premium. Next is plagiarism also. Here only you can check, and a style guide. Like this, many options are available. So now you will be very easy to integrate Grammarly in this MS Word. For this, first you need to install Windows 10. So it will support only in Windows 10. It will not support in Windows 7. I hope from this video you will be very clear about how to install Grammarly in MS Word. I hope this video will be very useful to you. Thank you.